Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to create reoccurring meetings in OpenProject. Ladies and gentlemen, on the left hand side in OpenProject, we're going to go down to meetings. Once you've clicked on meetings, you can see on the left hand side, you can filter out to see all of your meetings, your reoccurring meetings only, whatever is coming in weekly, the involvement, invitations, attendees, or created by you. Now, if you want to create a reoccurring meeting, we can go over to the right-hand side, click on the plus icon where it says meeting, and here you're going to choose reoccurring meeting. Now, within here, you can configure this reoccurring meeting. So let's just say new meeting, and we are then going to add a location. So we can just say remote, and then we want to have a start date for our meeting. So we are going to keep it at this date. It starts at 10 o'clock in the morning and it is going to be 1 hour long. The frequency now you can change. So this can be a daily meeting, an every working day meeting, or an every week meeting. And then let's say, for example, you choose every week. You can choose how many times a week it happens. How many weeks pass by. So every 2 weeks. You can have it every 3 weeks. You can have it once a month, whatever the case may be, right? Then your meeting series ends. You can choose after a specific date. It may end after a number of occurrences. And then you can also just say never, and you can cancel this meeting when you feel fit. You can also send the email, calendars, updates, and then create this meeting series. And this meeting will be added in over here. If you just go into meetings, recurring meetings, you'll be able to see this meeting over here. So this is the meeting. So here it is. It's 1 hour, and you can obviously just go in here. You can view the meeting series, and then you can actually download it as well. And here's where you'll be able to delete that occurrence once it has been occurred as many times as you need it.